Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize the product title on your product page in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need just to go to our online store and then we click on customize so we can start adding some customizing on our products page. So from here we are in the home page, we go to the products. We can go, for example, for these default products, and from here we can find all these section or all elements of our page. And from here, if we click on text, for example, you can see that there isn't much customizing that you can add. And as you can see, it's the same for our title. So basically, all we need to do is to search or to use some custom CSS. So from here, if we go back in the templates, we can find all this styling. And basically, all we need to do is to go to the theme settings. And from here, we can find some custom styling. And in the custom CSS, we can add the name of the sections. So basically, this is the title. We need just to know exactly the name of this section. And basically, as you can see, it is the division class. Class name is product title. So basically, I will just copy this title or this division. And here in the theme settings, we go to the custom CSS, we go here and go to the product title. Now we are on this div. From here, we need just to go to the font size, and I'm going to, for example, make it 30 pixels. And as you can see, it will change its size. We can make it 60 so we can see the difference. And of course, we need to assign the elements for it. And basically, if it's each one or each two, and I suppose it's a span. And from here, it must change our product title. And basically, we need just to understand which element is it. And basically, it is indeed an H1 tag, and it has the product title class. So it is supposed to be like that, and H1, and basically the font size should be, for example, 15 pixels, and it should change. And basically, if you do that for any element, you can try it for example, the spans, and we do the same, for example, font size, and we go here, and basically it will change all the elements. So let's make it, for example, 65, and everything will get bigger since it's the elements that matters. Here I forgot only the points, the dot for the object, and now it will be working very well. So let's close our, and as you can see, now our size has been changed successfully. And you can make it for any element that you would like. You can just right click on it. So you can just know the name of the class. So inspect. And basically, for example, this is a whole section, but we want uh, classes. For example, this label, we right click on it as we did, and we inspect it and basically search the name of the class. So its class is price item regular. You go to the exact CSS, custom CSS, you add the class name with a dot before it, and you do any other custom CSS. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.